Ethan Hawke is coming. Hang up the phone.
Hang up the phone.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, Blumhouse, behind the screams. We got Megan, The Exorcist, Five Nights at Freddy's, The Purge, Oh, The Grabber, that's his name. It's the Grabber. I was Oh my goodness. We got the Invisible Man costume worn by Elizabeth Moss. Oh, he's invisible! I can't believe it. You caught him. It's amazing. Look, Tim, the Invisible Man. He's right there.
Yes, it's right there.
Yeah. It's the FNAF! Look it! It's Foxy, Chica, Bonnie, and Freddy! Oh my goodness, guys, it's the Five Nights at Freddy's! Look how big they are! Look how big! Made by the Jim Henson Company! Oh my gosh! Yes! The cupcake! Oh my gosh! Look how big! They're in real life! They're in real life! Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness! Tim, I need pictures. Oh boy, we got some Exorcist stuff happening over here. It's the Exorcist. It's from the new Exorcist movie. Oh wait! You can hang up the phone, Tim. Yes.
And costumes from your favorite Blumhouse terrifying thrillers. If you feel so bold and brave in the back, we have a photo op set up for you. The Purge Anarchy and the Black Phone. Please feel free to take all the selfies you like.
There's a Megan over there. Oh my god. Mary, take a picture of me real quick.
Oh my gosh, that looks creepy. Ready?
Way up top, it looks like Mary.
Somewhere.
Here, let's go. The very back, Mary. Unless everybody's getting it. Here, there's two right here, Mary. No, never mind.
Alright guys, please find your seats. The show will start promptly.
Oof.
Just to get a temperature gauge here. Who here is excited for The Exorcist Believer? Me too, love it. Now, who here is excited for Five Nights at Freddy's? That's what I'm talking about. Guys, please find your seats in the back. The show will start any moment now. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, from the Masters of Horror, welcome to the world of Blumhouse. Roll the tape!
Look out, man. Trees just at any time or place. People there slap right across your face. Yeah. Take it. Gonna get you good. Good.